Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you why it won't let me add my Cash App card to Apple Pay. Let's begin. So it says here, there are several reasons why you might not be able to add your Cash App card to Apple Pay, including security. You need to confirm the request to add your Cash App card to Apple Pay through the Cash App. Your card issuer might not support Apple Pay. And that is actually quite common, especially if you use things such as PayPal. You might need to update your device to the latest versions of iOS, watchOS, macOS, or Vision OS. Then authentication, you might need to set up Face ID, Touch ID, Optic ID, or a passcode on your device. And then lastly, location, you might need to be in a supported country or region. Then if you scroll down again here, this part is highlighted, ensure your card is supported. Now this is very important. Not all cards are supported by Apple Wallet. Make sure your Cash App card is supported before attempting to link it to your Apple Wallet. So now I've opened up the discussions.apple.com website, and if I scroll down here, troubleshooting common issues during the linking process. So 1, ensure your card is supported. And then number 2, check your internet connection. Make sure your device is connected to the internet before attempting to link your Cash App card to Apple Wallet. And there you go. I hope this video was helpful for you, and I'll see you in the next one.